Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Shah Story World. For more exciting stories, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's begin today's story. An American man who was present during the execution of President Saddam Hussein says that even today he thinks deeply about that night. He often asks himself what Islam says about that. He said Saddam was a man who deserved respect. At 2 a.m., the door of Saddam's cells was opened. The head of the execution team entered and ordered the American guards to step back. Saddam was told that he would be executed in 1 hour. Did not look afraid at all. He asked for rice with chicken, which he ate calmly. He also drinks several cups of warm water mixed with honey, a drink he had loved since childhood. After eating, he was offered to use the bathroom, but he refused. At 2:30 a.m., Saddam performed ablution. He washed his hands, face, and feet, then sat on his iron bed and began reading the Holy Quran. This Quran was a gift from his wife. At the same time, the execution team was checking the roof and the platform. At 2:45 a.m., two more workers brought a coffin and placed it near the execution platform. At 2:50 a.m., Saddam was taken to the execution room. People present include a judge, religious scholars, government officials, and a doctor. At 3 a.m., the execution began. The world later say it through a video camera placed in the corner of the room. Before it started, an official read the execution order. Saddam stood on the platform without fear. The executioners looked nervous. Some were shaking and some covered their face with masks. The American soldier said, I felt like running away when I saw Saddam smiling while saying his last word. There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. I thought maybe the room was full of explosive and we were trapped. It did not seem possible that man could smile just seconds before his execution. If the Iraq had not recorded it, my fellow American soldiers would not have believed me. It was unbelievable. But the truth is, he said the kalma and smiled. I swear, he smiled as if he saw something in front of him. Then he repeated the word with a strong voice, as if an unseen power was helping him. It is said that Saddam was the first Arab leader to fire missiles toward Israel. He frightened Israel and forced people into shelters. He raised slogan of Arab United during war. He once reminded a judge that he had forgiven him when he was sentenced to death. The judge later resigned. He also said, we learned about death in school. Should we fear it now in old age? He once told Sham and Lebanon, give me your borders for 1 week and I will free Palestine. Before the execution, an American officer asked Saddam, what is your last wish? Saddam replied, Bring me my coat. The officer asked why. Saddam said morning in Iraq are cold. I do not want my body to shake, so my people do not think their leader was afraid of death. His last words were the kalma he had once said to Arab rulers: America will execute me, but your own people will execute you. This was not just a sentence. Today, many see it as reality.